In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to AD button in Framer. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button on your canvas, fully customized to match your design. First, open your browser and head to framer.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in, then open the project where you want to place the button. Once the editor loads, you'll land on the canvas in the center of the screen with your layers on the left and the properties panel on the right. This is where most of the action will happen. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click Insert. This opens the Insert panel, which is your library of components and elements. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also press I to bring it up quickly. The panel has a search field to help you find what you need fast. In the search bar, type button. You'll see the button component appear in the results. Framer may show multiple button options depending on your project or installed kits, but the default button works great for most cases. Hover it to see a quick preview, and when you're ready, you're just one drag away from adding it to your design. Click and drag the button onto your canvas, then drop it where you want it. You can place it inside an existing Framer section to keep your layout organized, use the alignment guides to snap it into position, and use the resize handles to adjust its width if your layout calls for it. If you don't see it at first, check the Layers panel to make sure it isn't hidden behind another element. With the button selected, head to the right side Properties panel to customize it. Start by updating the label text to something meaningful, like Get Started or Contact Us. Adjust the typography by choosing the font, weight, and size that match your design system. Tweak the padding and corner radius to get the shape you want, from subtle rounded corners to a full pill style. Set the fill color or gradient, and then dial in borders and shadows for depth. For behavior, add a link so the button goes somewhere when clicked, choose a page in your project, scroll to a section, or open an external URL. You can also set hover and press states to give interactive feedback. If your button includes an icon, position it on the left or right and fine-tune the spacing. Finally, check contrast for accessibility and add a clear label so screen readers can interpret the action. That's it. Your button is added, styled, and ready to use in your Framer project.